In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero inventory. Whether you're new to Xero or looking to streamline your inventory management, by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in navigating the software's inventory features. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your Xero account. Start by heading over to Xero's official login page. Once you're there, look for the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. A simple click on this button will bring you to the sign in page. At this point, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Xero account. It's crucial to double check your credentials for any errors. Once you've done that, click on the login button once more to proceed. After successfully logging in, you will land on your Xero dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access various aspects of your financial data. From here, you'll want to locate the Business tab along the top navigation bar and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll find the Products and Services option. Clicking on this will take you to the inventory management section of Xero. Now that you're in the right place, the next step is creating a new inventory item. Look for a button labeled New Item and give it a click. This is where you'll start entering the details of the item you want to add to your inventory. Begin by typing in a unique code for the item. This code is essential for quick and easy identification. Next, you'll need to add a name for the item. Be descriptive yet concise to ensure clarity when managing multiple products. After the name, it's important to fill in all the other necessary details that may include the item's purchase price, selling price, and tax information. Filling out these details accurately is crucial as it ensures your inventory remains organized and up to date. Once you've carefully entered all the necessary information for your new inventory item, it's time to save your hard work. Locate the Save button and click it to add the item to your inventory. And there you have it, your new inventory item is now live in your Xero account, ready to be tracked and managed as needed. And that's it! You've successfully set up and added a new inventory item to Xero. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and track your inventory, keeping your business operations smooth and hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and do check out the rest of our tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of Xero's features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.